Okay, so we started ripping up the cement board, the tile. We've only gotten maybe half of it done in a couple of days because it's been extremely hard to get up. Remove the vanity, and as you can see, here's the plumbing, and there is a mystery hole. Why they put this hole here, we have no idea, but it goes down. Obviously we have a basement, so it goes down above the ceiling below us. So I don't know if you can see down in there. That goes all the way down. Looks like all the way down to the floor of the basement, the concrete slab. But here, let's see if it'll focus. Right there, there's 2x4s just kind of holding that pipe up that aren't even properly attached. So this is how the house was built. This is the kind of stuff we're dealing with. So I just wanted to do a little update. This is the kind of stuff that we're slowly running into. And we're making progress. We'll get this fixed up, try and get it patched up so that the next owner or whomever doesn't have to worry about it. But good times. Alright, on to the next. Okay, so we've got the vanity out, tile up, toilet out, and we're just now getting to the edge of the shower here. That's where the big hole was that we discovered that dropped down into our basement, one of the rooms down there in the basement, so we nailed a thin piece of wood there so no tools or anything fell down that hole. And we'll be disassembling the shower unit here pretty soon. One of the issues that we discovered is that we may or may not have if I can get my camera focus here, may or may not have a shutoff for the shower unit, which will be fun because that means we have to shut the power off to the well pump and drain all the water from the water heater and all that good stuff. We'll see what happens. There may be one buried somewhere in the line that will only disconnect half the house or so, so we'll see. But I have a feeling if we disconnect the water here, because the sink and the dishwasher on the other side, and then straight up is the bathroom upstairs, so I have a feeling if we shut water off here, it's going to shut off pretty much the entire house. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, it's slow going. They used an actual Portland cement board under here. Not much thin set on the ground, which is good for when we go to replace, but definitely extremely dusty. And this ties into the master bedroom. So a couple things. This used to be a jacuzzi tub, so we have this piece here that's huge. It's massive. There may be some plumbing lines in there, I'm not sure. And then there was supposedly a jacuzzi pump somewhere. This is a replacement tub, so they've already replaced the plumbing here once. Hopefully they gutted all this out. And then we have a weird little chase here that goes all the way up. On the other side of this wall is the closet, so we're going to see what's behind here. Hopefully we don't run into a lot of mold, but we do get a lot of condensation, which tells me we probably will have mold. I'm not looking forward to doing some mold remediation, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and we'll see what's back there. Here we go.